welcome back to my part 2 of the second part of the first video. Go watch that. I might link it below, or you could just click on my name, Nika Love, and then just swipe off and just watch it again. But this is gonna be the little tutorial how to get your hair bone straight, because it is kind of wavy right now. This is 26 inches. It is a little wavy because this was when it was washed. It's not really nothing on it, no products for real, but I just installed it so you can see that little slay of how you do that, child, or whatever, of how you reinstall a wig, because a lot of people do not know how to do it, so just go back and check that. Okay, hello. So you're just gonna go in with your heat protector on your hair, spray a few pumps in your hand, about 3. You don't need that much heat protector, and then just rub it through your hair. It's gonna give it that softness to it and that shine. Not too much shine though. Healthy shine. And then you just want to pin it up, and you want to do thin layers. When you do thin layers, it's gonna be bone straight. I just went in with my Sleek It Iron Straight hairspray. I'm gonna spray it throughout the hair, and then I'm gonna comb it through with my big brush, and then I'm gonna go in with my little brush so I could catch the heat when I'm straightening it. So you're just gonna comb through it a few times with the little small rat tail comb, and then you're gonna get your flat iron. I have it on the highest setting. I think it's about 450, and then I just go straight down with it. And you really just need one pass. One pass helps your hair be healthier and not as damaged. But you can go over it more than once if you want it to be even straighter than what it originally is right here. Ooh, you see that? Oh, girl, she moving. Okay. Yes. So I'm gonna just go in one more time just to make it even more straighter, because I love it very straight, very silk. Very, very, very silk. Okay. Look at me trying not to burn myself. Okay, so you're gonna just put another layer down and then just pin it back up, and then you're just gonna go in again and just keep straightening. And that's what you're gonna basically do throughout the whole head. So I'm just gonna speed this part up so you guys could just watch me just straighten it layer by layer. Okay, I'm back. So you see how straight that side got and how wavy this one is. So we're trying to get them both equally just like that. I did not hot comb the top yet, so the top is a little bit bumpy, but we're going to do that in the future, later on. So you see how shine, oh, you see how girl moves? So now we're gonna go to the front. So now we're just gonna part each section, comb through it, spray a little more spray, and then comb through it again, and then just flat iron it. Just so it could be extra straight. So the front, I'm gonna go in just layer by layer, just to get it as flat as possible, and then hot comb right after, so it could be even flatter. Now you see my ends, they're very sleek and silky. Yes, girl, you better. Okay. So now, after you get your ends, you're gonna go in with that wax stick and just wax the whole top of your head. You can go a little bit further down too, just hot comb that. Wax it. And then you're gonna go in with your little comb just to comb the wax through your hair. That's what I do. You don't have to, but I do it just to comb it through your hair a little bit better than the hot comb, because the hot comb's a little bit bigger. Now you're gonna go with that hot comb. Mine's is on 15 degrees. I'm not sure what that one is, but I don't know. It just says 15 on my hot comb. So you're gonna go in and just press that all down. Don't be scared to go a little bit slow, just so it can be a little bit flatter. Now, don't go too slow because it might burn under your wig. You might feel a little heat, too much heat. But you know, you still want to go a little bit slow, just so it could be going through and all that heat will get through all of your hair. So this is how the ends look of it bone straight. Okay. I never bone straight this hair before. I curled it and then I like did like a little mousse with it to make like a little water wave type of thing or whatever. But I never bone straightened it. I'm in love with it. I love some silky straight hair. Like my hair's running through it. I got this wig from Amazon, honey. Like, you see what you could do with an Amazon wig, okay? But yeah, this is cute. I love it. I did dye it burgundy, so it is to the color I wanted it or whatever. So I'm loving his hair right now. It is giving what it's supposed to give, honey, okay? But yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and comment anything else that you want to see on this channel, because I am going to be doing a lot. Oh, that was mashed together. I am going to be doing a lot of different content for you guys, so just comment down below what you want to see like soon and coming up, because I am brainstorming. I do have a lot of ideas that I do want to bring to this channel. So just comment or DM me or whatever. My email, my Instagram, everything should be down, link below. No, signing off.